Let's get started with a 10,000-foot overview of the Couchbase data platform. Now, data begins with a point source, a customer or a device, but from there things go a bit nuts these days. Think of all the ways you interact with software systems. From a business standpoint, only some of these interactions result in transactions, which are vital, but they only tell part of the story. Customers engage with their preferred businesses over time in many different ways. And it's no longer enough to just track transactions. Nowadays, it's the insights gained from metrics like browse-to-buy ratios, analyzed over time, that point to what your customers want next. Now, as a result of this trend, database technology has evolved into three categories. Now, first, there are the traditional relational table-based database systems, focused on processing durable transactions. Second, there are newer analytical database systems, which process vast data workloads, generally in batches, to provide retrospective analytical reports. And then third, there's a new breed of database software being referred to as engagement database management systems, or EDBMS, which have evolved out of the so-called NoSQL technologies to deliver real-time operational intelligence using highly scalable clusters and memory-first architectures. Now, these systems are designed to track all the various ongoing interactions you have with your point sources across long and lucrative customer engagements over time. Now, database management requires far more than just a storage engine, no matter how fast it is. It needs a whole constellation of interrelated features and capabilities to render that fast, scalable storage truly useful. So an engagement database management system extends far beyond NoSQL to provide elastic architecture, in-memory storage, SQL-based querying to leverage your established team skills and code bases, along with seamless offline mobile synchronization, full-text search, integrated analytics, and much more. Now, conceptually, the Couchbase data platform is built on a core database engine designed around two architectural principles: elastic scalability and a memory-first approach to data management. Now, this engine is then exposed through 5 major services: key value access to create, read, update, upsert, and delete documents, and then powerful SQL-based querying and indexing, integrated full-text search, seamless synchronization with mobile and IoT clients, now all this with integrated analytical capabilities. These powerful capabilities are then delivered to your code through a unified programming model exposed through SDKs for every major language. Now, this is all delivered with cross-stack security and integration tools for the big data and SQL data ecosystems. All of this is available to you on any major hardware, cloud, or container system you choose. Now, these days, data is generated throughout a rich ecosystem of sensors, mobile devices, desktop systems, and commercial or industrial systems of many forms. Now, with Couchbase, development happens at the stack layer that you need. We support a rich array of SDKs to suit your many contexts. You can interact directly with Couchbase Server's service stack, which includes, as we noted, key value create, read, update, and delete, indexed queries, full-text search, analytics, as well as integration with a wide array of external systems through a robust array of connectors. However, your mobile, commercial, and industrial needs may require the offline-first architecture of Couchbase Lite, which delivers these same features locally, directly on a device, with passive data synchronization via the Couchbase Sync Gateway when connectivity becomes available or data is actively harvested. You also have the ability to interact directly with the Sync Gateway. Ultimately, your systems may very well rely on the full Couchbase stack to handle your various needs for data availability and persistence, knowing that it's all secured with pluggable authentication, roles-based access control, and robust encryption, both in motion and at rest. So what have we learned? Well, engagement is a natural technical evolution driven by business demand. With the explosion of the internet and social media, business needs real-time intelligence about interactions over time, not just transactions. An engaged DBMS will provide not only NoSQL storage for efficiency, but query, indexing, full-text search, analytics, and more. Couchbase delivers full-stack data management with elastic memory-first architecture, exposing your data through key-value query search and analytics services, with mobile and IoT synchronization for your data gathered offline, along with cross-stack security and integration with traditional SQL and analytics systems. Development happens at the stack layer that your teams prefer, via Couchbase Lite, Couchbase Sync Gateway, or directly with Couchbase Server. We're going to dive more deeply into all of the above in the lessons ahead. Stick around.